Hey guys, we are in our little tracker and I've decided to make a Greek salad. Yeah, I'm Greek. Greek salad with a twist. It's not rocket science, guys. You can basically take any types of ingredients and put them together and see how they work. Cooking's about creativity. What I've got here is some pre-cooked risoni pieces or risoni noodles or couscous noodles. Little macaronis, really. Some Kalamata olives. I've thrown in some sultanas, whatever. Some oregano, cucumbers. I've got some ham here, feta cheese, of course, shallots, tomatoes, a leftover capsicum that I'm going to throw in there, olive oil, lemon juice. Again, the world is your oyster with cooking, and we'll come back and show you the end result. Have a look at this, guys. All this is a pre-packaged, store-bought piece of feta cheese that's going to go into the Greek salad with a twist. I saw this on one of the recipes on YouTube. I thought it was really interesting. Add your oil and your oregano before you throw it into the salad. Then, when you cut it up in little pieces, all that oil seeps through, and then you know that your feta cheese has already been seasoned. We're going to assemble the salad now, but a couple of handy hints, especially for those who want to pre-cook their pasta and bring it with them. Season it, so salt it up while you're boiling it, and also I added about a tablespoon of olive oil in here and gave it a mix. So when I'm ready to assemble everything else, the pasta isn't actually sticking, and it's nice and flavoursome. All right, so I'm going to now assemble everything, which is really, really easy to do. So off we go. In here goes the cucumbers, tomatoes, capsicum, the juices of the tomato, of course, and a shallot. I forgot to bring a garlic clove, which you can definitely add to this salad, and you can crush it and throw it in. Okay, this is just the easiest thing for any person to do. You don't have to add the ham if you're vegan or if you're veggie, but that's just something that we like because of the flavour. Easy peasy. There's your feta, nice and seasoned and ready with the oil. And we get, look at that. Isn't that amazing? I love the indoor kitchen. I just love it. So some sultanas and olives. You got mint. You got fresh herbs. Go for it. Dry stuff's really, really easy to carry. I mean dry herbs when you're traveling. Let's go in there with that. Definitely you want to add a lemon. This isn't the freshest of lemons, but it doesn't matter. Here we go. Holding your hand under the lemon when you squeeze it, just make sure that you don't throw in the pips. We're going to get to use this table that comes with a tracker for outdoor use as well. I finished putting the salad together. I'm just going to unclip this table from here and literally take it outside, put it on the pole out there or the bar, and enjoy the meal outside, outdoors. Watch your step. Come across here, clip it into this bar. Make sure you put the clips back in, and then you can adjust the height of the table as you wish. I'm just going to get the plates from inside, sit down and enjoy our lunch. Nothing to do but dig in for the love of travel.